Shuliy hydraulic metal baler machine is practical for pressing all kinds of scrap metal waste into bales. Various metal scraps can be baled into briquettes with different shapes. The metal baler can press various cans into briquettes, such as aluminum cans, iron cans, paint and gasoline cans, etc. Under the action of 3 hydraulic pressures of the machine itself, the materials are gradually squeezed into a block. This hydraulic metal baler machine can be designed with the PLC control system or manual operation control. Besides, the hydraulic pressure can be adjusted according to different metal scraps for baling. After baling, the discharging device will pull out the metal scrap briquettes automatically. This is for baling the aluminum sheets into the solid hexagonal cylinder. The metal baling shape can be customized. This is a testing video for pressing iron scraps with a freshly welded metal baler. The overall structure of this metal baling machine is very compact. The manual operation device can control the whole baling process easily. The final built metal cubes have a high density for easy transporting or storing.